Hello everyone. Welcome to this course, Machine Learning Algorithms in 7 Days. Are you super excited to learn some cool machine learning algorithms which are making headlines these days? Machine learning applications are highly automated, self-modifying, and they continue to improve over time with minimal human intervention as they learn with more and more data. To address the complex nature of various real-world data problems, specialized machine learning algorithms have been developed that solve these problems quite perfectly. This course offers the easy gateway to learn about 7 key algorithms in the realm of data science and machine learning in just 7 days. Before we just move on with this course, a short introduction about your instructor. My name is Shivan Sengupta. I will be your friend who will take you through this journey for 7 days. I am currently working in a leading NBFC as a senior lead data scientist, and my background lies in advanced statistics and econometrics. I have been fortunate enough to have enjoyed great amount of exposure in the realm of advanced machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. I'm quite excited about the fact that how machine learning and deep learning techniques can be effectively leveraged to derive very meaningful insights for many real-life problems in the domain of machine finance and financial technology. I would love to connect with you all in LinkedIn. Course overview. Our entire journey will be complete in 7 days, starting from linear models, primarily linear regression and logistic regression. We will move beyond linearity and discuss about decision tree and its various applications. Day 3 is dedicated to random forest algorithm. On day 4, 5, 6, and 7, we'll learn about k-means clustering, k-nearest neighborhood approach, naive-Bayes algorithm, and time series analysis. Target audience. This course is for aspiring data science professionals who are familiar with Python and have statistics background. It is ideal for developers who are currently implementing 1 or 2 data science algorithms and want to learn more to expand their skill set. System requirements. The course doesn't have any specific requirements for a very high-end compute environment. Apart from the basic structural requirements like an operating system, browser, text editor, we'll be primarily using Anaconda to access Jupyter Notebook, run different modules, and work on the case studies. We'll be using Python 3.6. We will be extensively using some of the existing and readily available packages in Python like stats models, NumPy, scikit-learn, pandas, seaborn, scipy, and matplotlib. Please make sure that you have these libraries installed in your system before you jump onto these case studies. We'll be following a completely hands-on approach for all these modules. Both theoretical aspects and their real-world applications will be discussed. The key focus will be definitely on the intuition building of the solution design. Last but not the least, these modules will definitely encourage you to experiment. One key success factor for any machine learning algorithm lies in the prodigious experimentation. So please make use of this framework to experiment with different aspects like tuning various hyperparameters and see what kind of results you are getting. Goals of this course. This course will definitely help you get started with many state-of-the-art machine learning techniques and apply them in your respective problems. It will also help you understand which machine learning algorithm to use for different types of problem like clustering, classification, and regression. This will also offer you quite a few useful tips and advice on the go to help you come up to speed and overcome some of the obstacles which you might face while dealing with machine learning algorithms. Hope this overview gives you a great amount of perspective about this course, and you guys are already charged up to join this module. Let's get started.